up, everyone? Ish boy, JT, Ish boy, J Throne. What is up? Ceiling, stars, moon, and the sky. What's up, everyone? Yun, sana kapag-dinner na kayo. Here's a random Instagram live. I haven't done this for quite some time. What's up, everyone? So, wala mga balita. What's poppin'? Ano na, Mike? Ang tayo, eh. Haba na po ng buhok ko, ano? Come. Come. Come here. Look, Teo, Ninang's hair. Green. Pag green mo na yan, summer, sakto. Isip na mo kung ano yung susunod na huli. Shoutout nga pala sa aking napaka-pogi at napaka-cute na pamangkin / inanak / feeling ko sa akin din galing yung pinagmanahan ako nung nanay niyan, yung pinsan ko. Shoutout to you, Pogi. Tokmol version 2. Teo. Mateo do. Wait. Mga doong sisi. Yes! Ibana. Intentions cover. Hinihintay lang ako, pero darating yan. I got the cats. I got the baby cats with me. Hey, Perlin, come here. Isa sila. So yun, kantahan mo naman ako, bro. Gusto sa'yo. Shout out to my brother. Gia Doroya, follow niyo si Gia Doroya. Maganda i-cover niya. Actually, nag-live lang naman ako just to say hi. Hindi magkakanta or magsasayaw. So, let's just talk. How's that? How about that? So, yun. Sana ayos lang kayo. Update. Recently, may mga ginagawa tayong mga mushik. And malapit-lapit na. Konting konting pihit na lang. So, I've worked with some mare-reveal naman yun, pero eventually. Pero just to give you guys a quick, glimpse or quick update. So I've worked with multiple, couple of people na iba-iba yung ginagawa nila sa life. And, yun, nag-collaborate to make some music. Hair does suit you. Thank you so much. Magpapagupit na nga ako. So, music is on its way. In no time, actually. Game na siya. So yun, malapit na yung mga music. Tagal kong hindi nag-release, but I think we're ready. Yeah, as promised. So yun, got a couple of songs coming out very, very soon. very, very soon. So, yun. Sana supportahan nyo. It's gonna be really cool. Dance videos. Dance videos. Marami tayong dance videos din. It's coming right up. Actually, marami lang nasikaso. But, you know, we're ready. And, ayun. Sana ayos lang kayo. And, what else? What else? Sana yung vlog nyo ni... Actually, hindi ko pa na-edit. Hehehe. Sorry na. But, eventually. Wait, let me show you the babies. The babies. The babies. The babies. Oh. Wait. Come say hi. Come say hi to the video. Say hi to them. So this is Berlin. Ay, hindi. Ito si Nevi. This is Elas. Since she's far, I get to take care of the makulets. This one is Berlin. Berlin and Nevi. Berlin and Nevi. Lagi po sila nag-aaway. So, tudun, tudun. Tudun, 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 tudun. Hey, Han. It's your babies. Dito. Hi kayo. Hi, friends. So, update. Hindi pa naman sila nagkakalasan ng mga buto. Pero, lagi sila nag-aaway. Pero lambing lang naman. Aray ko. Aray. Aray. Ow. Berlin. Si Nevi behave, oh. Behave. Behave, si Nevi. So, yun. Actually, hindi pa namin na-distinguish kung sila ay girl or boy. Kasi baby pa sila. Ito, sino mas makulit? Si Berlin. Naging binubuli tong kapatid niya. Tin. But they're very sweet. Ito naman ito. So, wait na. Si Berlin, ito naman nagsasalod doon. Wala ka doon. Ano yan? So, aray. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Nevi.
I'm Miss Nevi.
Ako?
Hindi.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nevi. Si Nevi lang malambing. 1, 2.
Kumakain ba yan? Kumakain mo ng wet food.
Yes.
Milk.
No. They don't like
No?
the milk. They don't like it.
He likes milk. Doesn't like water.
Sige. Chuhan!
Nevi.
Burly nakatingin lang sa akin. Ano ba to? Saan ba to? Dito siya, di ba? Or dito?
Ay, no, here. Dito. Dito. Yan, dyan.